Good morning, you guys. So today I'm going to read one of my absolutely favorite books. It's called Norman the Slug with the Silly Shell. It's about this cute little guy right here named Norman. Okay. Norman the Slug with the Silly Shell. Norman the Slug thought snails were great. "Wow," said Norman. "Look at them. They're amazing." But unfortunately, the snails didn't think Norman was great. Whee! Crash! Look at, he's trying to play with them. He's crashing into them. "Norman, you silly slug," they cried. "You've spoiled all of our fun. That only works if you've got a shell." Norman felt left out. Sadly, he skulked off into the moonlight. Look at him. He's very sad looking at his reflection. "If only I had a shell of my own," he sighed, looking at his reflection. And that's when he had an idea. "Maybe I could have a shell after all," he thought. But finding a shell was not as easy as it seemed. One was too bouncy. Here, I'm going to hold it a little closer to my camera. One was too bouncy. One was too noisy. One was already taken. Look at who was in that one? A worm. Norman needed time to think. So what is he going by there? What do you think? Ta-da! A shell. It was perfect. Can you guys tell what that is? What do you find there?
A donut.
A donut. Norman had never been happier. He could join the snails at last. Norman loved being a snail, and the snails loved Norman's silly shell. But the fun didn't last long. Suddenly, there was a loud flapping of wings. "Look out! Bird!" cried the snails in a panic. "Quick, slither for your lives, or we'll end up as supper." But the bird was more interested in Norman's silly shell. It looked delicious. Norman was being carried up, up, and away, higher and higher into the sky. What could he do? Well, Norman did the only thing a slug could do. He made slime, and lots of it. With a slither and a slother, a slip and a slide, Norman was free. Oops, missed a page. But he was falling faster and faster and faster. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Until plonk. Norman, are you okay?" asked the snails. "Wow," said Norman. "That was great. I love flying. If only I had wings." I think you might be getting another idea. Ta-da! What do you make his wings out of? The underpants. My goodness. The end. So that's one of my favorite books. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.